Assalamualaikum and hello. Let's focus with the first physical properties of alcohols, which is their solubility in water. Usually at room temperature, for alcohols with 12 carbons and less, they exist as colorless liquid, and for more than 12 carbons, they will exist as solid. And in order for us to understand the factors affecting the solubility of alcohols in water, usually we are talking about their carbon chains. Now we will talk about alcohols with 5 and less carbon atoms where they are all soluble in water. So for example, I got this is my alcohols. I will put it as alkyl group attached to the OH group, hydroxyl. And the next one, we got another same one for the same structure. I'm going to make it as general. And when we want to test the solubility, we are going to see how the alcohols reacts with water. So I got another structure for H2O here. And there will be attraction between hydrogen atom from alcohol with oxygen atom from H2O, the water itself. So this attraction, which I highlight as a green one, is what we call as attractive forces, more specifically as hydrogen bonding. Next one, for alcohols with more than 5 carbon atoms in its structure, they are increasingly insoluble. Why? For example, we take the general structure for alcohols with hydroxyl group attached to alkyl group. This is where we are going to focus about two terms, hydrophobic area and hydrophilic area. For hydrophobic area is going to focus around this alkyl group, where hydrophilic area we are going to focus about this area at hydroxyl group. So for hydrophilic, it means that it loves the water. And for hydrophobic, it means that it doesn't like the water. So when you have a bigger alkyl groups for your R structure, it means it will contribute to bigger hydrophobic area that makes weaker attraction with the water. The attraction we are talking about right now is the hydrogen bonding. Hence, solubility decreases. These are the general information that you have to understand about the solubility of alcohols in water. Next one, we are going to focus about the factors, which are two of them. The first one is number of hydroxyl group, and the second one is the size of molecule. In order for you to answer about the solubility, you need to describe or explain or compare between many compounds of alcohols. That's why you need a specific technique to answer this kind of explanation. Usually we will take a look at the first one first, the number of OH group. If you got more hydroxyl groups in the structure, you can understand it can form more hydrogen bonding with water molecules. That makes the solubility in water increases. So if you got the compound with more hydroxyl groups, it can form more hydrogen bonding with water molecules. So that is the first factor. Now we focus for the size of molecules. Usually this one, we are focusing on the structure of alcohols with same number of hydroxyl groups. What makes it different is the number of carbon atom or the size of the molecule. So if you've got larger molecular size or higher molecular weight, specifically we focus for the number of carbon atoms, the larger alkyl group itself will give larger hydrophobic area. So it tends to repel by water because it's phobia to the water. That's why the solubility of water decreases. So that's all for this general information about solubility of alcohols in water. For the next video, we are going to learn how to answer based on a few examples. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye!